Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix failed to open descriptor file error in Valorant step by step.
Fix 1. Run Valorant as administrator. Step 1. Right-click the Valorant shortcut. Step 2. Click Run as administrator. Step 3. Try launching the game again. Fix 2. Verify game files in Riot Client. Step 1. Open the Riot Client. Step 2. Select Valorant. Step 3. Click the Settings gear icon next to Play. Step 4. Click Repair and wait for the scan to finish. Step 5. Restart the game. Fix 3. Delete the manifest folder. Step 1. Press Windows plus R. Type %localapdata% /Riot Games. Step 2. Open the Riot Client folder. Step 3. Delete the manifest folder. Step 4. Restart the Riot Client so it can rebuild missing files. Fix 4. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. Step 1. Press Windows plus R. Type Services. MSC. Step 2. Find VGC. Step 3. Right-click Stop. Step 4. Go to C:\program files /Riot Vanguard. Step 5. Delete the Vanguard folder. Step 6. Open Valorant. It will reinstall Vanguard automatically.